Afternoon, evening people, welcome back to the channel. It's your first time here. I'm Tony, this is Teddy, over at the Allotment. I've got a job on. So, I want to put a gate here. A couple of reasons. First of all, I've got this kind of netting gate, but Teddy can just go under it. So at the moment, I've got to have him on a long lead like that. What I'm hoping to do is build a gate that I can close, and then Teddy can just have free rein inside there then. Also, this isn't very reliable when it comes to the wind. So, I've got this wood. This has been reused. This is a kind of old cold frame. But you'll notice two bits one length, 2 bits another length. The same with these bits. That's going to come to light in a minute. What I'm going to do with that. Now this door is another door that I built. Polytunnel door. I did do a video on that. I'm going to try something similar, but I'm going to do double doors. That video was actually quite popular. I think about 1,500 people watched that. So, double gate. So, here's my plan. This one's longer than the other. I'm going to do that into there. And then that to there. And actually leave me a gap at the bottom to do the same. So give that a go. So I can't get this mixed up. So this is the longer length. So this has got to go in this way. Put 2 screws in to be on the safe side. Next, the shorter one. So the shorter one is going to go here. And then we'll look at the other end and see what it's looking like. The other end is going to have to have one of the shorter lengths. I'm kind of hoping that, and it does. So you can see what I've done there. I'll show you in detail in a second. We'll get these screwed in and I'll show you. I've noticed this wood isn't completely straight. It's not going to be totally square. It's not a biggie. It doesn't have to be pretty, it just has to do a job. Right, so a couple of issues. Issue number 1, I think I've only got 2 hinges. Because I've done this off the cuff today, it wasn't planned. I thought, oh, come on, just get it done. So I'm going to try 1 hinge on each gate. I'll order a couple more, but see what I've done. So this is to that, that's that way, and the other end is the opposite to that. So what I'm doing now, I'm going to go ahead, put the other one together, and then we'll get some netting, get it covered. I've got a plan for that. There we go. first things first actually, let's offer them up. So, there you go. Double gate. I think it's tall enough to stop deer getting over. Lovely. On that note, it's starting to rain. So, I'll pause, pop over to lunch, we'll carry on. So unfortunately the rain hasn't stopped. So you're in the polytunnel because my camera's not waterproof. But it's fine because I'm going to be working here. So I can set the camera up looking down. So next thing, we're going to try and get these frames netted. Now I'm going to use the same method that I use for the polytunnel door. As it happens, these offcuts that I've got are exactly the right length. So one along each edge, and then I'll just have to cut two for top and bottom. What we're going to do is going to use that to pin the netting in place. So let me show you. What you want to do is have the netting overhanging off the edge. And what we're going to do we'll screw one end in. Once you've got one end screwed in, just pull the net in tight. Then screw the other end in, and then a couple in the middle. Then we'll spin it around. We'll get the other edge done. Get it pulled tight. So there we go. Now we're just going to cut some end bits and we're sorted. Got some end bits cut. What we're going to do that's slightly oversized. Just got to trim that, trim a couple of mil off that. There we are. before I said we cut it oversized. So now all we're going to do is take some scissors and trim it down. Okay, it stopped raining, so I've got you out of the polytunnel. But there we go, there's one gate. I'll trim that down, and then we'll get the other gate put together, and then we'll hang them. When I said I've only got 2 hinges, I'm wrong. I looked in the box, there's 4, so we're good. So I'm going to get the other one done, and then we'll hang them. There we go. So, next thing's next. Gonna have to hang them. So, I'll probably hang this one first. So let's get the hinges. I think that space in there should be fine. Now this can be a bit of a balancing act when you are hanging it. What I like to do is get your foot underneath there, and then just try and get one screw in. Once you've got one screw in, screw in the top hinge and one screw in the bottom hinge, and then it stays in place. You can get your other screws in. Now the moment of truth. Right, so hang the other one now, and then we'll make some kind of locking mechanism. There we go. There's a bit of a gap in the middle though, more than I thought there was going to be. I guess I can always just screw a bit of wood to that edge of each of these, just to make the gate wider at a later date. In the meantime, just need to make a way to lock it. I've got an idea. I reckon that'll do the job. So here we go. Now I just need a way to secure that. So we'll do that now. So just a little locking mechanism there like that. That'll do for now. I'll buy a bolt. So I'm going to upgrade that. I put a couple bits of wood in there just to make that gap smaller. Put a bolt on it. But there you go. So there you go, one gate done. So if you want to see the video where I put the door on the polytunnel, I'll put it up here. If you want to see more allotment gardening kind of content, hit subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.